got an idea. I was like, oh, look at this thing. I wonder if I can print the pick guard. Well, yeah, I can definitely do Telecasters. And I'm pretty sure I can do a strat. Like from there to... I mean, you might have a little trouble getting it positioned in there. Let's see, those are our two worst shapes. Oh, so you probably where that wheel is to that wheel, but I think that it'll fit. So I'm gonna go on Thingiverse, and I'm gonna look, and I'm gonna find some pick guards, and see what we can figure out. I definitely I want to print a white pick guard for my tele, and this is the original pick guard. It was warped. I heated it up. You can see some of the marks, and it was pretty bad, so I decided to cut a hole in it and put a neck pickup. But honestly, like, I'm not a fan of neck pickups in Telecasters. Doesn't do anything for me. But I have I got this one here. This is my favorite. I don't remember what year this is. But anyway, it's got a DiMarzio, like, Tone Invader or something or whatever. What does this thing say? It says MZ4. I think it's a 2004. But it had this really weird pick guard that looked like a fat lady's spandex pants. Got lots of chips in the wood. And then I knocked it over one day, and it fell on top of that crap and put that nice dent in the damn thing. It got the fender locking tuners on this bad boy. This is like one of my favorite ones, but I've got a blue one. It's a princess hiding under the bed. I wouldn't mind printing some stuff for these, or, you know, who knows. Maybe print a black pick guard for this one. I don't think I have any black pick guards. Because certainly, I mean, even if I did a solid fill on one of these, right? Like, what's a roll of this crap gonna cost me? 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. And, you know, I'm gonna spend more than that, I think, on a pick guard, maybe. I don't know. And I'm sure I could print like quite a few pick guards with that. So anyway, I think I might do that.